Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make brightening face cream. What we'll be needing to make this cream are wax, distilled water, hibiscus flower, pure almond oil, carrot and lemon oil I made myself, vitamin E oil, kojic acid, licorice powder, pure glycerin. I'm starting by infusing my hibiscus flower with distilled water. Now pour in my 4 gram of wax. Put in my 2 tablespoons of almond oil. And then 2 tablespoons of carrot and lemon oil. And these are my oil face. Now I'll be doing the double boiler method. Put my oil, distilled water and hibiscus flower in the pot. Now I want to mix my licorice and kojic acid separately with warm distilled water. I will need 0.5 ml of my kojic acid and 0.5 ml of my licorice powder. Now here is my oil and my water out from the pot, and also my infused hibiscus flower. Now I'll be sieving out my infused hibiscus flower. Now it's time to mix the cream. I'll be pouring in my infused hibiscus flower water into my distilled water. Mix together and pour it gently into my oil and stir. Now I pour in my licorice inside the mixture. Next is the kojic acid and stir. Now the cool down phase, I'm pouring in my vitamin E, 1 tablespoon of it. Next is my glycerin, and then stir. Now I'll be adding in my preservative. I'm adding 0.5 ml inside my mixture. And lastly, my essential oil. I'll be adding some few drops of it and then stir. Stir till you see the mixture thickening. So here is my brightening face cream. This cream will improve your skin and gives you 2 shades lighter with constant use. I will be pouring in my cream in a small container. Now checking my pH level of my cream. pH level on a skin is between 4.5 to 6.7. I am rubbing the cream on my body and it feels so soft and so smooth. So guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to notify you when I upload a video. So thank you so much guys, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.